Sometimes life gives us small warnings, but we ignore them until it's too late. The Power of Timely Treatment is a story that reminds us how one quick decision can save a life and change everything. Along with this story, you will also learn 10 useful vocabulary words, each explained with two simple example sentences, making the lesson both meaningful and easy to understand. Get ready for a story that opens your eyes and strengthens your learning at the same time. Story: The Power of Timely Treatment. Rohan had been feeling weak for several days, but he ignored his symptoms, thinking it was just tiredness. One morning, he suddenly fainted, and his family rushed him to the emergency ward of the nearest hospital. The doctor examined him carefully and said, "We need to run some tests to get a proper diagnosis." After a few hours, the results arrived. The doctor explained, "You have a serious infection, but don't worry, we can control it." He gave Rohan a prescription for strong medicines and suggested a few days of rest. If the infection didn't improve, the doctor warned, surgery might be needed. Rohan followed every instruction. He took the medicines on time and even got a vaccine to prevent further complications. Slowly, he began to feel better. The therapy sessions helped him regain his strength, and his family supported him every single day. Within a week, the doctor smiled and said, "Your progress is excellent. You are on your way to full recovery." Rohan felt grateful. The experience taught him the importance of health and the value of timely treatment. From that day on, he promised never to ignore his symptoms again and encouraged others to take care of themselves too. Now learn the meanings of all 10 vocabulary words with two example sentences each. 1. Diagnosis, meaning the process of identifying a disease or problem after examining its signs and symptoms. Examples: The doctor made a quick diagnosis after checking all the reports. Early diagnosis can save a person's life. 2. Surgery, meaning a medical procedure in which doctors cut into the body to treat an injury or disease. Examples: 1. The patient needed surgery to remove the damaged tissue. 2. Modern surgery is much safer because of advanced technology. 3. Therapy, meaning treatment aimed at healing a disorder, improving health, or recovering strength. Examples: 1. After the accident, he needed physical therapy to walk again. 2. Many people use music therapy to reduce stress. 4. Prescription, meaning a written order from a doctor for medicine or treatment. Examples: 1. The pharmacist gave him the tablets mentioned in the prescription. 2. You cannot buy this medicine without a prescription. 5. Infection, meaning a disease caused by germs entering the body. Examples: 1. A small cut can become an infection if not cleaned properly. 2. The doctor said the fever was caused by a viral infection. 6. Symptoms, meaning signs or changes in the body that show an illness or problem. Examples: 1. Cough and fever are common symptoms of the flu. 2. She went to the hospital because her symptoms were getting worse. 7. Vaccine, meaning a medicine given to protect a person from a specific disease. Examples: 1. Children get a vaccine to prevent serious diseases. 2. The new vaccine helped reduce infection cases in the city. 8. Emergency, meaning a sudden, dangerous situation needing quick action. Examples: 1. They rushed him to the hospital during the emergency. 2. Always call 108 if there is a medical emergency. 9. Recovery, meaning the process of getting better after an illness or injury. Examples: 1. Her recovery was quick because she followed all the instructions. 2. Good food and rest are important for fast recovery. 10. Treatment, meaning the care given to a patient to cure an illness or injury. Examples: 1. He received the best treatment in the hospital. 2. Early treatment prevented the disease from spreading. And that was the power of timely treatment. This story reminds us that health should never be ignored, even for a single day. You also learn 10 helpful vocabulary words with easy example sentences to improve your English. If you found this story useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful lessons. Before you go, tell me in the comments, do you listen to your body when something feels wrong? Or do you wait? Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next story.